Today I'm showing the installation of the P3 brake controller from Tekonsha on a 2019 Tacoma. It should be all the same. So my goal is to go here, and I just need to figure out how to get there. Right, to start with the harness, the service connector is way at the bottom. So remove that screw here. That will let you pull out this panel. Like that. Already have the harness plugged in, and the connector is right here. Okay, this is the new harness with the separate ground. Make sure if you use it, get the separate ground so you don't have any risk of any fires. I'm gonna disconnect my battery because we're gonna play around the airbag area. Right, so I got the battery disconnected. There's two screws on the bottom. Let's take them out. Then I do have that factory alarm here. It's in the way, so I'm going to remove it. Next, there's one more bolt here. Get out. Then you'll see that the latch for the hood is connected to this piece. So take out the cable. And this should just come out. Now we're ready to pull it out. There's the tire pressure sensor here. I think we could take it out. Disconnect it. And we still have the connectors. There we go. We still have the connectors for. I need to. You get all that shut. Okay, and now this piece is out. So we got the kick panel out. Now I'm gonna remove that coin holder. It's 4 screws. So before, this would not go in, and I don't want to cut this through because in case I want it to undo and go back. So the plan now is to go here. Alright, so I got that coin holder out. Now I can wrap my cable from under. Back my panel. And reinstall the hood latch. On the side it's a little bit tight, so I'm gonna use a 90. I got the battery back on. The unit is working. Alright. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped. And subscribe.